Welcome back to Stan Hywet Hall and Gardens. Did you know that in addition to tours, educational programs, and special events, there are many ways to enhance your self-guided experience? One of the newest ways is Stan Hywet's Interactive Google Trail, a user-created Google map of the estate. These are pins placed on a Google map that allow you to learn more about different locations. There are 5 trails available exploring the following: the history of the physical landscape, represented by the hammer, birds, wildlife, represented by a fox, trees, and gardens. You can use your smartphone to explore these trails using a web browser or your Google Maps app. To access our Google Trails, visit our website at stanhywet.org. Virtual Cyberling Explorers is named after the Cyberling family who lived at Stan Hywet and celebrates the history and beautiful estate they passed down. If you open the Google Trails on an iPhone with Google Maps already installed, this will launch directly in the app. However, iPhone users will have the best experience using their phone's web browser because they will have full access to the attached photos and media. If you are using an Android, the trails will open in your phone's web browser. Click the Google waypoint in the top right to open these trails in your phone's Google Maps app. Now, all 5 trails are shown. Choose a trail that interests you by checking and unchecking topics. As you can see, the landscape trail takes you on a trip around the estate with 5 pins that tell you something new about each location. You can also create a trail that meets your needs. Learn about accessibility at Stan Hywet from our Disabilities Guide, which you can pick up at admissions or access anytime on our website. Or pick the pins at random to create your own adventure and enrich your usual tour of the house and gardens. For example, learn more about the horse chestnut tree that you always pass on your way up to the manor house by clicking the tree icon near the crosswalk. Then, scroll through the text and view the media attached. Now, let's walk up to the manor house. You've probably already been to the plane tree alley built off of Stan Hywet's iconic music room. With our interactive trail, you can learn about the unusual birds that live amongst the plane trees. If you are using an iPhone to explore our Google Trails, make sure to check out the photos and videos on a web browser at a later time. Each pin has additional resources with fun facts, further reading, YouTube videos, and even unheard Cyberling family stories. Some of our pins will have supplemental activities for you and your family. You might learn how to measure a tree using tools or your feet. You will also find family-friendly crafts. Visit Stan Hywet again and again to explore the new pins that are added to each trail, discover new information, and find more activities. Check our website for future updates to our Google Interactive Trail. Thanks for watching, and go out and explore today.